There's a lot right here. Nice and rolling. It goes down to the bottom of the hill there. And they run generally transformer to transformer. This is just a storage building they keep tractors in and stuff. Got woods across here, all underground utilities. You put your septic in once you build. That's a barndominium going up over there. As long as you meet the square footage and materials requirements, they'll allow them. So that's great. It should perk good. And you could either do a walkout basement or a crawl space. But give me a call.